I'm back. So, market selling off a little bit today. Stocks I'm talking about. And again, this is possibly connected with the new developments that I hinted to in the last video. And again, I'll go into much further detail on that in my MMT Trader report. So, sign up for your free 30-day trial. That's pitbulleconomics.com. Click on the tab that says products. I saw something very kind of comical, actually. Remember when oil prices were coming down, down, down? And I, for one, thought it was a good thing. I mean, who looks depressed when they're filling up their tank with cheap gas? Like nobody, okay? So, but everyone will say, oh, it's terrible. It's going to cause a recession. And it's the whole selling, calamity in February and March and also part of January was all about people pointing to falling oil prices and saying to us how terrible that was. In other words, we need oil to go back up, right? So now oil is going back up, and I see articles popping up saying, is this bad for stocks? Now oil's going back up. You can't have it both ways. You can't make arguments that oil is bad when it goes down in price and it's bad when it goes up in price. I mean, which is it? So you see, I'm pointing this out just to show you that most of what's out there as far as advice or insight is just completely ridiculous. Do you wonder why people lose money when they invest? Because this is the kind of stuff they get told. It's a calamity when it goes down. It's a calamity when it goes up. You just cannot listen, okay? Or if you do listen, a lot of times you can get information from that, but it's contrarian information, okay? I spoke about that the other day with Yahoo Finance, about how that site, which actually has quite good quotations and information on individual stocks, that site from an editorial point of view, from the type of things it focuses on and the way it kind of, crafts its articles and its reporters, it's just bad, man. There was one other thing. Oh, somebody asked me, one of the viewers asked me to comment on the euro, okay? And just too soon to make a comment. And I'm not trying to be evasive here. The euro is in kind of a trading band right now. I would say there has been a modest upside bias to euro, okay? However, if these things I'm talking about, these new developments, and yes, they have to do with flows, U.S. fiscal flows, if we're starting to see a change there, then we can also perhaps see a change in the euro's direction, as in back down. Okay, it would be, let me just put it this way. If the fiscal flows are slowing up, and again, we don't know this, they look like they are, but I have to say that, year over year on a nominal basis, they're still well above last year, so that's an overall a positive. I'm talking about the rate of flow. If they're slowing up, it could be overall generally bullish for the dollar, U.S. dollar, which would mean down in euro, down in yen, down in Aussie dollar, down in Kiwi, down in British pound. You get the picture, okay? So I'm not trying to be evasive. And again, get the report, MMT Trader. Get the report. Come on, guys. I spent a lot of hours putting that thing together. You get a lot more information in that than what I'm giving you on these videos. Okay? Bye.